Hi everyone, welcome back to another exciting video with the Enguru teachers. By the way, this video is brought to you by Enguru Spoken English app. Enguru offers live classes every day, interactive sessions, expert Enguru teachers and a certificate from Enguru. So, to continue learning, download the Enguru app from the Play Store today. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. A lot of times we've seen our learners make certain very common pronunciation errors again and again. And this is because India, being such a large country, has so many different languages which affects everyone's accents and their pronunciation. Different people have different mother tongues and therefore different ways of speaking. That is why we often find a lot of MTI or mother tongue influence when Indians speak in English. The secret to clear communication is not a foreign accent, but rather correct pronunciation, which can be learned by anyone at any age. Let's see what our teachers have to say about common pronunciation errors and how to fix them.
Going to talk about the sound that is mispronounced by most of the students, and that is the Z sound. And how is Z sound produced? Z sound is produced when stream of air comes out and your tongue moves towards the sharp edge of your teeth. For example, zoo, xylophone, zip, zigzag. And the mistake that most of the students make is they say zip as jip or xylophone as gylophone. No, that's not correct. The correct pronunciation is Z. So remember, next time when you speak, the stream of air should come out and your tongue should move towards the sharp edge of the teeth.
Today I'm going to talk about the two consonant sounds, S and Z. Now the reason that they are paired together is because the position of the mouth remains the same when pronouncing them. Let's take them one by one. Now for the S sound, the lips are parted slightly, the teeth touching lightly, and the tip of the tongue pointing down. The air that passes through the mouth, it doesn't come with a lot of force, like miss, M-I-S-S, miss, I miss my mother. Sip, S-I-P, sip, I took a sip of the drink. Now let's go on to the next sound, the Z sound, which is kind of a buzzing sound. Here again, the lips are parted slightly, the teeth touching lightly, and the tip of the tongue pointing upwards. The air that comes out from the mouth comes out with a greater force. So we have words like fizz, F-I-Z-Z, fizz. There's a lot of fizz in the drink. Easy, E-A-S-Y, easy. The questions were rather easy. Now all this requires a little bit of practice.
In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to pronounce the sounds made by the letters W and V. It's a common error among many English learners. They tend to mispronounce W, the sound made by the letter W. For example, sometimes they say it as butter, buy. That's not the right way to say it. When you're saying the letter W, your lips should come together like you're blowing out a candle. W, water, wipe, wish, why, when. Got it? Now you can try it out in front of the mirror. Coming to the letter V. Some learners often say it as van. It's not W. For the letter V, you have to touch your top teeth to your lower lip. B, b, b. Van, berry. Okay, so when you're making the sound of V, your teeth should touch your lower lip. Only then you know that it's right.
So have you ever been sure about using an English word in your head but actually not as confident of saying it aloud? Shall we check this high frequency words with its commonly mispronounced sounds like in beat, B-E-A-T, beat, and bit, a bit, putting them in sentences? Let's beat the heat with a cool glass of lemonade. Beat and heat, you wear a smile on your face. However, the second one goes like, I'll see you in a bit because I'm recording a video right now. A bit. Putting both the sounds in one sentence. I cannot sit in this car because the seat is hot. Yes, you can think of it as a skill because mastering a new sound in English comes in stages.
I love to see live shows. I'm conscious when I speak English. I shrugged my shoulders. Oh, I'm camera shy. Today I'm focusing on sound sh. There is no specific letter to denote this sound in English language because English has 26 letters and 44 sounds. English works on the movement of your lips, tongue and teeth. So we need to figure out how to say sh. Our tongue goes up behind our upper teeth and this letter comes with force. Sh. Let's say shy, shoulder, shorts, English, conscious, chandelier. It's not always the combination of the letters or a letter, but the sound that we focus on when we speak English.
I think they were some really important points, weren't they? Do you also face the same problems as our teachers mentioned? Well then, you now have a ready solution. So now why don't you tell us what common pronunciation errors you have heard in the comment section. Until then, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.